Hi children, good morning. Welcome to offline classes. Today we are going to learn English. English all topics. Okay. Look at me, all of you. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. See, first vowel A letter words. B-A-T bat, M-A-T mat, C-A-T cat. Next vowel E letter words. N-E-T net, P-E-T pet, W-E-T wet. Next vowel I letter words. B-I-T bit, P-I-T pit, K-I-T kit. Next vowel O letter words. H-O-T hot, C-O-T cot, P-O-T pot. Vowel U letter words. H-U-T hut, C-U-T cut, N-U-T nut. Next A-P words. G-A-P gap, N-A-P nap, M-A-P map, L-A-P lap, C-A-P cap, T-A-P tap. Next A-N words. F-A-N fan, C-A-N can, R-A-N ran, M-A-N man, V-A-N van, P-A-N pan. Next A-D words. L-A-D lad, S-A-D sad, P-A-D pad, B-A-D bad, M-A-D mad, H-A-D had. Next A-G words. B-A-G bag, T-A-G tag, N-A-G nag, L-A-G lag, R-A-G rag, S-A-G sag. Okay, next E-N words. D-E-N den, P-E-N pen, M-E-N men, H-E-N hen, T-E-N tel. Next E-D words. B-E-D bed, L-E-D led, W-E-D wed, F-E-D fed, R-E-D red. Next E-G words. B-E-G beg, L-E-G leg, P-E-G peg. Okay, next vowel I words. I-N words. P-I-N pin, F-I-N fin, W-I-N win, B-I-N bin, T-I-N tin. Next I-G words. B-I-G big, W-I-G big, F-I-G fig, P-I-G pig, D-I-G dig. Next I-D words. L-I-D lid, K-I-D kid, H-I-D hid, R-I-D read. Next I-P words. L-I-P lip, T-I-P tip, D-I-P dip, S-I-P sip, H-I-P hip, Z-I-P zip. Next I-G words. B-I-G big, W-I-G big, F-I-G fig, P-I-G pig, D-I-G dig. Next here, vowel O words. O-G words. C-O-G cog, H-O-G hog, F-O-G fog, J-O-G jog, D-O-G dog, L-O-G log. Next O-P words. M-O-P mop, P-O-P top, H-O-P hop. Next vowel U words. U-G words. B-U-G bug, J-U-G jug, D-U-G dug, R-U-G rug, H-U-G hug, M-U-G mug, T-U-G tug. Next U-B words. C-U-B cup, T-U-B tub, R-U-B rub, H-U-B hub. Next U-N words. S-U-N sun, B-U-N bun, R-U-N run, F-U-N fun, G-U-N gun. Next I-N in. A cat in a hat. A cat in a hat. A cup in a jug. A bug in a jug. A pen in a cup. A cup in a tub. A cub in a tub. A pen in a net. Next I-N in. O-N on. A cat on the mat. A dog on a log. A pot on a cot. A pet on a jet. A bin on a tin. A kid on a lid. You practice on the slate these words. Okay, next near and far. Near. The cat is near the house. The dog is far from the house. Jolly is near the tree. Vicky is far from the tree. Next T-H-I-S this. This is a cup. These for things that are near. This is a cup. This is a hand. That for things that are far. That is a tree. Next. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is an apple. That is a crow. That is a tiger. Next more words. A-T at, D-O-Do, A-R-E at, A-M am, H-E-E, O-N on, A-L-L all, O-U-R our, S-H-E she. Next T-H-A-T that, H-A-V-E have, T-H-I-S this, B-L-A-C-K black, W-I-T-H with, F-O-U-R for, B-R-O-W-N brown, W-H-I-T-E white. Next I and you. I am Vicky. I am Jolly. You are so tall. How are you? I am fine. I-U. Y-O-U-U. Next. H-E-E. S-H-E, she. I-T, it. He is a good boy. She is a good girl. He is a farmer. It is a brown chair. It is on the table. She is a teacher. H-E-E. S-H-E, she. I-T, it. Next. Opposite words. Big, small. Big opposite, small. Tall opposite, short. Old opposite, young. Young opposite, old. Short opposite, tall. Small opposite, big. Okay, you should practice on the slide these opposite words. Next, rhymes. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, oh, don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I am wet through, so are you. Hot grass buns, hot grass buns. One a penny, two a penny, hot grass buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. One a penny, two a penny, hot grass buns. Next, cobbler, cobbler made my shoe. Get it down by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down. Then I'll give you half a crown. Next, little Bobby has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone. They will come home, wagging their tails behind them. Next, Polly put the kettle on, kettle on, kettle on. Polly put the kettle on, we all have tea. Suki take it up again, up again, up again. Suki take it up again, they all gone away. Next, bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. 5 little soldiers standing in the row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along came the captain, and what do you think? They all stood straight, as big as a wig. Okay, next, the workman and the fairy story. See, workman was cutting wood. His axe fell into the river. A fairy went into the river. She brought out a golden axe. This is not mine, the workman said. She then brought out his old axe. He took it happily. The happy fairy went up, gave him the golden axe also. The workman told this to his friend. The greedy friend then dropped his axe into the river. The fairy again brought out a golden axe. The greedy man tried to take it. The angry fairy went away. The greedy man lost his own axe also. Next, the ant and the grasshopper. An ant was busy carrying grain. A grasshopper laughed at the ant, saying, "Why are you working?" "I am saving food for the winter," the ant said. The winter came. The ant had enough food. The grasshopper had no food at home. He went to the ant's house. He said, "I have been foolish, but I will not make this mistake again." The kind ant shared food with him. Okay, see one more time. The ant and the grasshopper. An ant was busy carrying grain. A grasshopper laughed at the ant, saying, "Why are you working?" "I am saving food for the winter," the ant said. The winter came. The ant had enough food. The grasshopper had no food at home. He went to the ant's house. He said, "I have been foolish, but I will not make this mistake again." The kind ant shared his food with him. Okay, this is your portion. You practice these all words. Okay, in, on, near, for, this, that. More words, A, E, I, O, U words, and I and you, he, she, it, and opposite words. You should practice on the slate after 6 days for your exams. Okay, term 1 exams. Okay, next we will discuss about today homework. Only worksheet book class ki group teacher. 40 minutes. Proceed.
Ask me 10 minutes. Stay put. Good morning, teacher.
Okay. Look at me here. Match a word with its opposites. Big opposite, small. Old opposites, young. Tall opposite, short. Here, color the big balloon blue. Color the small balloon red. Next here. Fill in the blanks. Use the words given in the vowel. This is a dash tree. Tall or short? Tall. T-A-L. Tall. This is a dash tree. Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. This is a dash balloon. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. This is a dash balloon. Big. Okay. B-I-G. Big. Next here. Tick the kettle. Where is the kettle? Here it is. Tick here. Then after trace here. P-U-T. Put. O-N on. T-A-K-E. Take. A-W-A-Y. Away. Next here. Hot cross buns. Here tick the bun. Tick here. O-N-E bun. T-W-O-2. B-U-N bun. S-O-N son. Trace here. Next here. Workman and the fiery. Tick the axe. Where is the axe? Here it is. Next. A-G-A-I-N. Again. M-I-N-E. Main. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Okay, trace here. This is your homework, ma. You should complete your homework. Okay, children. 52, 53. Okay. Up to 49 to 53 page number. Okay, children. Okay, you should practice on the slate. 11. Okay, I will write on the board. Opposite words now. See. B-I-G. Big. Big opposite. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Next, T-A-L-L. Tall. Opposite word. Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Next, O-L-D. Old. O-L-D. Old opposite. Young. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Big opposite. Small. Tall opposite. Short. Old opposite. Young. Okay. Small opposite. Big. Short opposite. Tall. Young opposite. Old. B-I-G. Big. S-M-A-L-L. Small. T-A-L-L. Tall. S-H-O-R-T. Short. O-L-D. Old. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Okay, you should practice on the slate words. These words, opposite words. Okay, children. And you should complete your homeworks. Okay? Okay, children. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye-bye.